FLIR E5 Pro Thermal Camera Review. Real results from field testing and cloud integration. You're standing in front of an electrical panel, phone in one hand, cheap thermal attachment wobbling loose, and you can't tell if that red blob is breaker 12 or the wall behind it. Your client's waiting. Your phone's dying. You're squinting at a screen too small to matter. Sound familiar? Type me if this feels too real. How many times have you wished you could just see heat clearly without fighting your own tools?
That suffocating frustration when you know something's wrong but your gear can't prove it. You're burning hours transferring files, guessing at temperatures, explaining blurry images to clients who don't trust what they can't understand. Your professionalism feels compromised. Your workflow is chaotic. Every inspection takes twice as long as it should. But there's a calmer, sharper way to work, one where the camera actually helps instead of slowing you down.
Then I pulled the FLIR E5 Pro out of the case and pressed the trigger. Second sentence coming right now. Don't just pick any thermal camera, make sure it has built-in Wi-Fi with FLIR Ignite Cloud integration and MSX image enhancement so you never feel that sinking dread of unreadable thermal blobs and lost diagnostic time literally everyone is screaming about ever again. This thing delivers 160 by 120 native resolution instantly upscaled with MSX overlays that stamp visible details, labels, edges, text, directly onto the thermal image in real time. You see breaker numbers, you see pipe fittings, you see exactly what's hot and why. The 3.5-inch touchscreen is bright, responsive, sharp, measures minus 20 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius with pro-grade accuracy. Focus-free lens means point and shoot, no blurry guesses. One HVAC tech nearly missed a callback deadline, but scanned the rooftop unit, spotted the overheating compressor connection instantly, uploaded the proof image to Ignite Cloud via Wi-Fi while still on the ladder, and sent the report before he hit the ground. The client approved the repair in 10 minutes. Here's the bonus. Radiometric JPEGs store full temperature data on every pixel so you can reanalyze any image later without losing detail. Comment sharp if you've ever needed that. Here's the real chain. You save 30 minutes per inspection by eliminating manual file transfers because Wi-Fi syncs images to Ignite Cloud automatically. That saved time sharpens your focus. You're diagnosing, not fumbling with cables. Sharper focus drives performance spikes. You close more jobs faster with confidence. Faster closings create visible results. More revenue, better reputation, repeat clients who trust your tech completely. A building inspector with 200-plus inspections reported the E5 Pro changed how efficiently I work. Clients see the MSX images and understand instantly without explanation. One electrical maintenance team bought 3 units and caught a 10 degrees Celsius panel hotspot before failure. Documented, tagged, uploaded, work order generated in under 2 minutes flat. Industry analysts confirm the radiometric JPEG format transforms a picture-taking tool into a genuine diagnostic instrument. Which result matters most to you? Comment 1 for time saved, 2 for diagnostic speed, 3 for client trust. Worried about the price compared to smartphone cameras? One plumber said it paid for itself in 3 leak detection jobs by eliminating exploratory drywall cuts. Faster diagnosis, less destruction, happier customers every time. The 10-year detector warranty alone proves FLIR stands behind the investment long-term. Curious about real-world durability? IP54 rated, 2-meter drop tested, 4-hour battery life. Pros report using it daily for a year with 0 failures. Have you been working harder than you need to?
Join the ones who already know. Electricians, inspectors, HVAC techs, facility managers quietly working smarter with standalone thermal imaging that doesn't fight them every step. The FLIR E5 Pro gives you sharp MSX enhanced images, Wi-Fi cloud workflow, and radiometric beta you can trust, all in a rugged handheld that just works when you need it.
I've dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned it in the comments. Check the specs, read the real reviews, see if it fits your workflow perfectly. You've earned tools that make you look like a genius. Go see for yourself.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.